Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to pause activity notifications on Oura Ring 4. If you get ill or you just wanna rest from activities, you have jet lag or something about it, you can just disable all activity notifications, just enter into rest mode. To do that, just open Oura application and here click on the left top corner of the screen to open options, and here we'll see rest mode. Just click on it and click turn on rest mode. What's going on? You can just input what's going on if you want and click done. Cool. To help you recover your readiness and sleep insights, we'll concentrate on rest for now. You can turn off rest mode when you start to feel better. So when you start to feel better, just click on the rest mode and turn this mode off. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.